This video is to show you a physical copy of 21 volume book set. A 21 volume book set is on Oracle E-Business Suite release 12 and it covers the functionalities in financials. So this is the physical book set. Let us go one by one. So this is the general ledger set, which is 4 volumes. First of all, if you go to this website facebook.com/R12 Financials book set, you can have all the collaterals of this 21 volume book set there, and you can also get a link there which directs you to Dropbox, and you can download a brochure which gives you a list of all the topics and chapters covered within all these 21 volumes. And there are other videos which explain what is the structure of each book and how every topic is covered into first as a concept, then there is an example, then what are the configurations you need to carry out that example, and then the actual transaction flow, step by step visual guide giving all the snaps of Oracle Financials, how you can perform that. So the objective of this video is to introduce you a physical copy. So general ledger 1, this is a general ledger. I have put a scale here. So this is A4 size and the total book set is more than 2700 pages and it consists of 3500 plus snaps of Oracle E-Business Suite. So general ledger part 1, 2 and 3. So this is the GL with subledger accounting. So this total general ledger module. Then these 3 are the new features of release 12.2. It also covers system administration and some miscellaneous functionalities, bugs which are actually not related to financials, but it is better if a financials consultant know about these. Then this is e-business tax. Then this is a payables set. Payables part 1, 2, 3. Then with payables there is internet expenses, which is part of payables, and Oracle's approval management. So these are 5 volumes in payables. Then we go to receivables. Receivables again is a collection of 5 volumes. First 2 volumes, receivables 1 and receivables 2, they give you the core functionalities, including the volume 3, core functionalities of receivables. Part 4 is about advanced collections, and the 5th volume is about I-receivables. That is about receivables. Then there are 3 volumes of Oracle Assets. Oracle Assets part 1, part 2 and part 3. And lastly, Oracle Cash Management. So this entire thing is 21 volume book set. Let me just pile it up all together so that you get an idea of how big it becomes. I hope it does not crash this teapot. So all these put together, this is the entire 21 volume book set. And you can also see the book set on a Mac and on an iPad. So let me briefly cover that also. So on an iPad, your 21 volume book set will look like this. So in iBooks, you can just open any of the books and then scroll through the pages. Okay. And On a Mac or a PC, also you can get a similar view of the entire book set, and then you can just go to a particular book, click on a book to open that book and scroll down within that book. So that briefly describes the 21 volume book set. If you want to actually see what is the internal structure of each volume and how every functionality has been covered and explained, there are other videos, you can refer to that. Finally, don't forget, there is this book containing a free listing of all the chapters and the topics which are contained in this book set. It can be available as a free download and as a link to the Dropbox from facebook.com/R12 Financials Bookset, and which is written at the back of each of the volume. Thank you. Bye bye.